Hi, I'm Dr. Swarchla, Scientific Director with Ziva Fertility Centers. Can you still get pregnant if you have had previous miscarriages? The answer is yes, but you have to understand the underlying causes of miscarriages. Let's begin to understand what a miscarriage is. Any pregnancy that is miscarried 20 weeks before your pregnancy is called as a miscarriage. So about 10 to 20% of pregnancies result in miscarriages, and the number may be high because women mostly don't come to know when they have miscarried. They could have a delayed period and they think that it was just a delayed period. It could be a missed pregnancy as well. So what are the reasons for miscarriages? Chromosomal abnormalities in a fetus is the most common cause of miscarriage, which means that the baby that is being formed has chromosomal abnormalities, which is why it gets aborted or miscarried. Then there could be hormonal imbalances in the woman due to which she's miscarrying, which could be progesterone or thyroid or prolactin. All these also result in miscarriages. A uterine abnormality like a septate uterus or fibroids or adenomyosis in the uterus also can result in miscarriages. Lifestyle also has an impact on the miscarriage rate that you are going through. If you are smoking, if you're drinking very regularly, this also has an impact on pregnancy rates and increases the risk of miscarriage. If you had 2 to 3 pregnancies that were miscarried consecutively, it is called as recurrent pregnancy loss. About 60 to 70% of women who have had recurrent pregnancy loss can still achieve pregnancy if they undergo proper diagnosis and treatment. So seeking help at the right time will help your physician or your clinician evaluate the underlying issues. Like I said, it could be hormonal, it could be structural, it could be chromosomal. All these things can be evaluated and treatment can be offered. If you wish to understand more about this, please feel free to contact us. Thank you.
A lot of effort has gone into making this video. Please like and subscribe us. Thank you.